Coming onto your screens every week on Zim Digital TV Online is a program on the set where we chat to the who's who in Zimbabwe. Zim DITV News, building bridges